What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Amazon Basics Aluminium phone stand. So I ordered two of them. So let's quickly go ahead and do the unboxing. I really needed a phone stand, so I was able to get two of them for a very cheap price. So this is the bill and it says 298 rupees. So the cost of one was rupees 150, which is very cheap. So I'll put the link in the description below. So this is the phone stand, and the first impression is that it is very good. It's made out of aluminium. It's very strong and sturdy. It won't easily break. And also on the bottom we can see we have the Amazon Basics branding. So on the bottom we have the four rubber pads so that you can put this on any glass table, wooden table, and it won't slide if you put your phone on this at a very specific angle, if it is placed on. So you can put your phone like this on the stand, and you can see it doesn't wobble or it doesn't moves. Even if you slightly tap on the top of the phone, it won't fall anytime soon. Not only this is because of the four rubber pad at the bottom. Not only this, you can also of course use the provided space on the back of the stand to put the charging cable through, and again through the bottom, and easily connect your phone so that you can charge your phone while it's on the stand. This is very useful when your phone has a always on display feature. Not only this, you can also use this stand to view videos and movies and whatnot, and it is very convenient. You don't need to hold your phone. Yeah, that's it. A small video. Thank you for watching.